Hey you, it's me, Miley, your online internet friend. Today I'm gonna show you what I do every day for my makeup routine. Why am I talking like this? Yesterday I went to the grocery store and that's why I put makeup on. Today I put makeup on because I lost my last couple of, I should really close that window when I film. Oh my god, the fan's on, hang on. Let me introduce you to my tools. This is my box of brushes. They're all dirty. I know I should clean them, but we're not gonna today, okay? If you want to do it together, let me know. Milk, makeup, eye primer, nope. Eye primer, nope. Eyelash primer, yeah, that makes sense. And the mascara itself, beauty blender, handheld mirror, and honestly, I know I have a full room of storage space and whatnot, but I keep my makeup in a shoebox because it's easy to travel with. Not that I go anywhere, but you know, whenever you have a sleepover at a friend's house, which I haven't had in a while, it's just easy to go. It's my excuse, let me be. Alright, lip balm on, primer on, going in with the It's Cosmetics CC foundation. People say it's not a foundation because it's a CC cream. Nah, it's a full-on foundation. Don't kid yourself. It has SPF 50. I use the color Fair in the center of my face, really, because it's a lighter color, and it mixed in with a bit of light because I'm a little more bronze on the outskirts of my face. And this is expired. Oh no. I like to pump directly onto my face because is there any reason to use an extra tool to put your foundation on and then waste foundation? Well, that's good enough. So, center of my face, and then the outskirts is with the darker color. It is summer, so I am a touch darker, but not by much, because I do go out in my garden a lot. But I'm not going out to the beach and, you know, all the stuff. Let's just blend in. You know how to blend in, so I'll be back. Right now, I'm gonna transition to moving to, I'm redundant, transition the So I put it on underneath my eyes. I did have a period where I only used concealer instead of foundation, but I realized that was just a waste of concealer because I ended up putting it all over my face anyway. Rather just the center of my face, but that feels like everywhere to me. I'm sure that phase will come back though. Come on. Blending it in. The Milk makeup stuff are very heavy, so it just fell and I feel like it broke my floor, but it is fine. And then when I pat the bottom out, I'll go in on the top of my eyelid and then pat some concealer in there too, so it can be used as a primer for my very neutral, it's not sunblock, it's not sunscreen, it's eyeshadow. Shadow, not sun. I'll go in with a neutral shade and then I'll just blend that in my crease. How close can I get without blocking your view? And then I'll go in with the brush designated for a darker color into maybe mocha. And then later I'll go in with cocoa or cacao. And do the do. Then I'll go in with a brush that's more precise, a bit shorter, a little bit more dense to do my under eye. I'll go in with, what was it, mocha, and then the darker color on the outer corner if I feel like it. And then right now I'm going, oh, okay, in with a my finger on a brighter color. It's gonna fall again. So I can have a bit more of a highlighty feel. Yeah. And then I'll go in with the brush to blend it out a little because I went a little insane in the membrane with that. Yeah. And then I'm gonna pop on eyeliner after I finish this eye, so hang on. Alright, next I'm gonna go in with eyeliner. Can't find my Kat Von D one, so I'm gonna use this one. I don't like it as much, but it costs less, so whatever. I don't know if I can do this with a mirror not blocking the camera. I don't know how people do this. Shit. You know whose eyeliner I really like? Marcia? I don't know her last name, but she's PewDiePie's now wife. She was his girlfriend for quite a while, but now they're married. She had a YouTube channel. I think she either took all her videos down or she took the whole channel down. And I think she just wanted to move on with, you know, a new chapter of her life, but her eyeliner is just so fire. So I'm going in on the outer corner of my eyes, and then I'm filling in the middle and then the inner corners. I feel that the inner corners don't really matter, but because the way my eyes are hooded, they're very lightly hooded. Doesn't really matter, but I feel like if I blink or anything, I want the look to be complete. I want to sharpen up the edge and then do the other side and come back. Alright, so finish my eyeliner. It's never even, but that is okay to me. No one's gonna look directly at my two eyes like that, I don't think. This shirt keeps falling down, I'm sorry. I'm gonna go in with mascara. I'm gonna prime with this black one, surprisingly, but it's white. And then go in with the other mascara. I don't know if I love it so much, but I don't know. I don't know how I feel yet. See? White. I think the wand is a little hard to use. I can't really get precisely where I want to be without it. This is how it looks when you're done priming. I try not to put too much on, but that's impossible with this wand and my small lashes, so they come up. A lot come off. A lot comes off the wand. Time for black. Hello. It's somehow the next day because I was able to lose my footage. I don't even know how that happened, but I'm gonna finish off with my bronzer and then my blush, and then we'll say our goodbyes. I actually just realized that I normally do my bronzer first because it's a bit more it needs a bit more precision, but whatever. I do my blush first today. Hit the apples of my cheek a little further back so it frames my face a little more, and then I hit the top of my nose for continuity. I don't know. A little bit of my chin, not very much, just for depth. And then onto bronzer. I'll hit that guy and that guy, tap tap tap, and then I'll just do the hollows of my cheek. I go in with scrubbing style, and then I'll blend it out in a bit. Do you like my dino? I do. It's kind of hard to cuddle with because his head is so big, but it's fine. Alright, how does my bronzer look? Can you even tell I have it on? Sometimes you can't. It's fine. And then of course I hit my forehead because I have a big forehead, and oftentimes your forehead is the darker part of your face because it hits the sun the most. At least mine does because it's so visible to the sun and to humans. So I'm thinking of getting bangs. What do you think? Of course I'm not going to do it on my own. I'm going to have a professional cut it once I get my hair cut after the fear of getting the virus is dampened. I don't want to go to a salon yet. So I'm one of those. How's that? Better? Alright, well, that's the end of my makeup routine. Thank you so much for watching. Leave me a comment. I would love to respond to you because that's what internet friends do. That's a baby crying. I have to go.